Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the time bigger on iOS 26. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is get into edit mode. There's two different ways to get into the edit mode. You can long press and hold, and then put your phone passcode or Face ID, and then you get into the edit mode, and you can click on customize. Now the key here is to make your time big. You're going to look for this icon right here. With this icon, you're just going to drag it. As you can see here, that's the normal size. If I just drag it with my finger, I can make it bigger. You can go behind this to make it 3D and click on done. And as you can see, your time is now big. Now, if that didn't work, you can also do it from the setting. Just go to settings, wallpaper, and then click on customize. And then go ahead and look for that icon in the corner, and then you'll be able to do it just like that. So that's how you can do it. Click on done, and that's how you'll be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.